Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech with another video. Just came back from vacation, been gone for about 2 weeks. Haven't had a chance to make any videos. So before I left, I placed an order for these models and I just got them. So gonna show you to you guys. It's about I think it's 11 models. Some of them are new, some of them are not. Some of them are used, but anyway, without any further delay, I'm gonna show you guys these models one by one. We have a Qantas Airbus A380 from Gemini Jets. Registration number is Victor Hotel Oscar Quebec Golf. This is a beautiful model. This is my second one from Qantas. So you would definitely see this one on my when I do the LAX airport. Again, very detailed, nice and heavy. Again, it's a beautiful model. Can't really say much about it. I mean, Gemini does a good job with the 380s. No complaints here, so I would definitely recommend it. Okay, next we have Singapore Airlines in the Star Lines paint scheme, 777-300 from Phoenix. Registration number is 9 Victor Sierra Whiskey Juliet. This one you will also be seeing on my LAX airport update when I do it later on this year. Again, this is one of those models that I was hoping they would get. It's a beautiful model. I really like the Star Lines paint scheme, and so I'm glad Phoenix came out with it. Very detailed, very clean look. So if you get a chance, definitely pick up this model. Next, we have a Hong Kong Airlines Airbus A350-900 from JCwings. Registration number is Bravo Lima Golf Alpha. This I started seeing that LAX, I think, is getting these this type of aircraft in right now. So I figure I better get it. It is I picked it up. You know, JCwings, the models are the prices is more cheaper, so figure I pick it up, and it was included in the shipping price. So again, but you know, look at those engines, beautiful model, nice wide body. Can't wait to pick up the Airbus the 350-1000. I'm just waiting. Hopefully United gets the model comes out for that, but you would definitely see this on my LAX airport update. Okay, next we got a Qatar 747-8 freighter, Turkish Cargo from Phoenix. Registration number is Alpha 7 Bravo Golf Bravo. This is another one that I just was waiting for it. Try to get. I think there was a previous one that came out a while ago from Phoenix, and I didn't get it, so it's hard to get. So I'm glad this one came out. It's a beautiful model. I believe LAX sees a couple of these flights today at night, so this will be another one that you would definitely see in my LAX airport update. Again, if you're into other cargo models, this is one I would definitely recommend. Beautiful model. Next, we have a ANA 777-300 from Phoenix. Registration is Juliet Alpha 751 Alpha in the Boeing scheme color. There's another one. I only have one other ANA 777-300, so they do fly these into LAX, so I picked this one up. It's you know, I don't know. I got mixed feelings about this one. I got it because I got it at a good price, but you know, it's a nice paint scheme, but I think I'd rather have the regular ANA, the one with just the regular ANA paint scheme. But that's just my opinion. But that's it on this one. Next, we have a custom on the Phoenix mold, Delta on the Skyteam paint scheme 767-300. Registration number is November 175 Delta Zulu. Came in on this, I guess this was a previous Alitalia model, but not sure. I mean, I just got the box like this. So, but anyway, it's I'm telling you, I was hoping to get this, that it will come out, and I'm glad I picked it up. I was able, I think it was Waffle Collectibles. I picked it up on a collection sale, so I picked it up right away. It's a beautiful model. You know that I got a big Delta collection. This was missing on my collection, so I'm glad I picked it up. It's can't say enough about it. You know, it's a beautiful 767. I'm glad I picked it up. Okay, next we have the Delta Airbus 321 on the Gemini Jets mold. Registration number is November 302 Delta November. Not gonna say too much about this one. It's nothing different than the other one. I think it's just an antenna maybe. But you know how you guys, how I feel about the 320, 321 molds. The wings, you know, they folded up too high, I believe. The nose, still, you know, not sure when they're ever gonna fix that, but it's you know, they, you know, that's what I mean. I'm not gonna say too much about it. I wouldn't recommend it. You know, I picked it up just to see if it was different, and it's not. So hopefully Gemini, you guys hopefully will fix the 321 molds for the future, and that's all I'm gonna say about this one. Next, we have an Aeroclassics Delta Airbus 319. Registration number is November 302 November Bravo. It's I do have the Gemini version. You know, Aeroclassic, like I said, they do, the mold is nice. You see how the nose, I believe it's just cleaner look. I wish Gemini Jets would just go back to it. The landing gear, it's you know, could be a little bigger, but the colors are more brighter, and I believe the engines are more accurate. They're not as big. If you compare it to the Aeroclassics, you can see these look more like Neo engines size, and they're in and the actual Neo engines of the Gemini Jets are huge. So, but anyway, let's take this model out, and so yeah, if you get a chance, pick this one up. If you collect Delta, especially, I would definitely pick this one up. Next, we have this EgyptAir Cargo Airbus A300. Registration number is Sierra Uniform Dash Bravo Delta Golf. This is from JCwings JetX. This is an older model. I picked it up. It was on special. You know, I collect cargo airplanes, so I wanted to have this one. You know, it's not the best looking. You know, it's an older model, so obviously it's not gonna have as much as details. But for the price that I got, I'm glad I picked it up, and it doesn't look too bad. So I will in the future I will do an update on my cargo model collection because it keeps growing, and I want to show you guys my cargo models. So if you get this one at a good price, I would definitely recommend it. Next, we have a Turkish Cargo Airbus 310. Registration number is Tango Charlie dash Juliet Charlie Zulu. This is from Aeroclassics. Again, this is an older model. I picked it up again at a good price. It's you know, I wish they had the 330-200 because I would definitely would like to get that, but this is the only thing I could get from Turkish Cargo. So as you can see, you know, it's got the nose. It looks nice, clean. Nice looking model here. Also, if you collect cargo models and you get this one at a decent price, would definitely recommend getting it. Okay, last we have this Royal Jordanian Airbus 310. Registration number is Juliet Yankee Alpha Golf Quebec. This is again from JetX. This one is not sure when it came out. It's again one of those older model. Came out probably at least 5 years ago. And again, it's one of those. It's still flying today, actually. But I don't think it makes it to the this side of the world. So I think it stays around the Middle East and probably Europe. But it still flies around. It's the nose. It could be you know, it does look a little funny. I'm not sure, it's a little too pointy. See if you guys could tell. You know, the reason I got is, again, I collect the cargo models. So that's all I gotta say about this one. Well, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For next video, I'm probably gonna be kind of coming back. It's gonna be kind of busy right now, so I'm gonna try to do it next week. I'm trying to finish the Newark Airport updates. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do reviews of new models and also older ones. And I do airport updates. Currently finishing up Newark, and we'll be moving on to Boston. We'll probably do after Boston, Fort Lauderdale, Orlando, and then LAX. So until next time, take care.